Got the Hellcat all lifted up at the moment. We're taking out the stock coils. We're about to put VC coils soon. We still got them all. See, about to put this belt on. Where's the belt at? Let me see the belt. This one? Yeah, that's the old belt. The new belt.
That's so small.
I think we should put that one back.
I think that'll make faster, right? You got this car. The bug.
Oh, okay, got you. That's good, buddy.
Gotta record everything. Got the cat. Got the GoPro. Got that Mustang. Got another G. Yo, what's up? It's Rascal's Garage. I'm trying to get these bolts out. We got the whole team working today.
Ah, bro, what? There you go,
That's one bolt. This back bolt's the hardest. Damn it. Oh my god, I got heck of dirt on me. Okay. Wait, you see all this dirt?
Yeah. Oh, he went to go home and eat and then come back.
You guys turn the wheel that way real quick. Jack this up.
Just like
You
that.
gotta jack this up.
Just like that.
Where's the hand?
Or Devon's. Game one.
Oh shit. Hold on. Oh, you can just get the jack though.
Yeah.
He has it right behind you.
No, yeah, I'm gonna do it.
When is it not from yours?
It wasn't?
It was dangling. That's how it was held. Maybe break it. Maybe just break
I'm
it
gonna just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna just take it off.
Maybe just break it loose.
Cause I took it off on the other one.
Hey, bro.
What the?
Recording, bro.
You were.
What? Are you tightening it?
No.
Was that it?
I was about to have an Adele right there.
When we jack this shit up, it jacks the whole car.
Come on, man.
This shit hurt, bro. I damn near cut my hand. Look at.
That was tough, bro. I see it.
You know how mechanics be. Oh. Yeah. Hey, Brendan.
You can't.
That's tough. You could, you could.
I'm bleeding.
Oh, and you put it like that?
I hate that when you put so much pressure. Right when you break it, it goes.
Where'd you get cut, bro? Dude, this man was crying over that, man. Damn, Rascal. Back at it again.
Per se.
What? Who am I? This dude, bro. Damn, bro. Your back's hella dirty, my guy.
Still got the squirtle.
Yeah, on his head too.
It's already in there.
Sheesh.
That boy all covered up.
Oh, my
I don't want it to
foot.
fall in.
No, you just shit yourself. Bro, do they fit you?
Now the car's going up now.
Oh, you guys already ordered pizza?
This guy.
Now the
Bro.
hole's way more off center than it was before.
That's what you're here for?
Yeah, bro.
Remember? Bro, these guys be messing up. They need a 17. You don't know anything. Oh my god. Is that G7? Oh. 17, 21. 17. We got one. Here. You guys should have just told me you needed a 17. Who needs it?
He does on the other side.
17, 38. Here, you guys need a 17?
We're gonna put everything back, no?
So with you.
What's all going?
Putting some coils on the G, on my G now.
Oh, this not yours?
No, this is his, but
Man, I thought you got stay red.
no, I didn't.
Well, everyone's hitting me like, but he got stay red, you got stay red.
Nah.
You need soda?
What do you mean?
Oil?
Yeah, we're switching. He's getting my stock ones, and I'm getting the BCs. Yeah, I'll see you though.
You guys both have access to it?
You can go up.
I don't know who the fuck it is. What? The RGG and then the Emmer. Oh yeah, literally. The same time there too. Literally,
Hey, you missing the point?
I think I think I'm type this shit.
Just break it loose, like, actually.
Yeah.
After 30 hours, we finally got one side done. And right now we're about to take another 30 hours on the second side.
30 minutes later.
But someone got to center it. Make sure it's in the middle.
What? No, it's one
Are you
side
gonna
at
lift it
a
in the middle
time.
and put the jacks again? Like, yeah. Hi, mom.
Hi.
Like what we did. Make sure it's in the middle. It's easier. Lift it up. Is it there? Yeah. Right there? Lift it down a little bit and then push it a little bit forward again. Right there.
I got you, I got you.
Want to just do two jacks at the same time?
The whole fucking point
I'm
is
trying to get him squatting, bro.
No, two jacks. Two
Oh, man, I got you. Look.
Or not. Two or one.
Come on, man, you gotta hit one, bro.
No, not two jacks.
Oh,
All this hair in the back of my pants gonna look like it's shit.
Oh, you better kick your own shit. Hey, bro, your slides fit you? Rascal, your slides fit you, bro?
Oh, you got the other
Hey,
side?
test fit, test fit.
Whack as fuck, just like his Fitbit.
Oh.
How long? You've had the car for over a year and you're just now lowering it?
Yeah.
That's sad.
Dude, he's done so much to his car, it don't even matter.
What? What do you do? Throw on a kick?
Yeah.
I heard it throw on a kick.
Slowly though.
Yeah, it's on.
I know.
Bro, IG soon.
There you go. Oh, go. Yeah. Got on the floor. Ah! Turn around.
Do for a living.
Sell kids, bro.
What you do for a living?
What did you say? You said you sell kids?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
What, you in the market?
No. Tap in. Let me
Tap
know before I
in.
finish my taxes.
He's about to do his credit score and get 100K back.
The night's getting.
Alright, update. What's going on?
Oh yeah, from the fucking ranch.
I did all the work, bro. Trust me.
Alright,
That one.
Trust me, bro.
update.
Way more?
Yeah.
You guys can't get it out?
Alright, sorry guys. We switched up.
No, I told you.
What's the update today, man?
Fuck off, bitch.
All right.
You, bro.
Great talk, man. We're out of here. Hey, man. Respect the kids on YouTube.
You gotta unloosen it.
Hey, Ruben, would you take it out of the strut?
Respect the young G's.
The G's and enthusiasts.
Hovering car.
That's what I was saying, bro. 700 horsepower floating car. This is the new 2025 floating car. Look at this shit. It's just floating, bro. It's floating.
Jeez, we're finally lowered. This one gotta get raised up a little bit. This side's perfect. Let me get that left. Sheesh. 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 Look at this. How? I'm rubbing on my own thing. Sheesh.